because something's really going on right now.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Manatee County in west central Florida, northwestern Sarasota County in west central Florida, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lakewood Ranch, over 7 miles east of Sarasota, moving southwest at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gulfgate Estates, Osprey, Gator Creek Estate, The Meadows, Lakewood Ranch, Vamo, Laurel, Sarasota Springs, Oscar Share State Park, and Southgate Bridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Manatee, Florida.
This is Global Weather Radio KHB 32, serving de Tampa Bay area, on a frecuencia of 162.55 MHz.
The current time is 8:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.